People think that if you got a song on Spotify with 1 million streams, you're making a lot of money. Sometimes that's not the case. Recently, Billboard wrote an article about a new royalty calculator. It lets you put in the number of streams a song has, and it'll tell you how much money you'll make from Spotify, Apple Music, or Amazon Music. Billie Eilish's song Birds of a Feather has been streamed more than 3 billion times. I put that number in the calculator, and this is what it said. Spotify paid out around 11 million, Apple Music paid out around 25, and Amazon Music paid out around 29 million. Sounds pretty good, but what you gotta remember is all that money has gotta be shared with all of Billie's collaborators, co-writers, producers, record labels, and a ton more people. So the number that she got is probably a lot smaller than that. Now, this is important because for independent artists who aren't getting 3 billion streams, this number is smaller, and it's gonna get smaller if you also have collaborators, producers, a label, stuff like that. If you have a song that got 100,000 streams, all these platforms combined are probably only gonna pay about $2,000. And that's not that much money when you gotta pay your collaborators and pay your own expenses. This is why it's really important to register your music on all of the royalty collection platforms. If you got a distributor or a label, they'll collect some of your royalties, but there's still more money to be made. There's performance royalties, there's mechanical royalties, and there's sound exchange money. You've got to register your songs on all of the platforms. That's the PROs, ASCAP, BMI, CSAG. That's Sound Exchange. And then there's the Mechanical Licensing Collective. It can be a lot to keep track of, but it's really important that you do. Streams are really great for exposure, but making sure your songs are registered is how you actually get paid. If you've got questions about how to collect your royalties, give us a call, let us set you up an appointment, and we can answer some questions.